What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm out in Santan Valley at the brand new Ladera Trails from Toll Brothers, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of their two new model homes. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryant, and I specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Phoenix area. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is right here. Give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever's easier for you. All right, so unfortunately, Lindsay's not able to join us today because she had another appointment with a client. So I'm out here enjoying these beautiful mountain views, beautiful homes, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. So let's go. All right, first up is this one's the sales office. As you can see right over here, that would be where the 2-car bay is. And then this would be your 3rd-car bay. But they're gonna have it as, you know, the sales office, and this door is locked right here, so I can't go inside there. But as you can see here, this is the Woodland with the desert contemporary elevation. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage, single story, 3692 plus square feet, depending on how you spec it out. And the desert contemporary elevation starts at 938, 995. That is the most expensive elevation. Let's go inside, take a look at this real fast. You come in the front door, you have this nice wide hallway. Over to the right here is your little flex room. Nice size room here. And they have 4 different elevations. They starting anywhere from 915, 995 and goes up from there. Keep in mind, it's a starting price, so it depends on how you spec it out. All right, so come over here. You have bedroom number 1. As you can see in front of us, there is an ensuite as well. But first, let's check out this walk-in closet. And then your ensuite right here. And I'm not going to talk about the finishes and everything because it is a model home, but just kind of get an idea of the layout. So this one has a tub and shower combo here. All right. Like how you have this little extra cabinetry area right here. And then there is a half bath right here for your guests. And then bedroom number 2. Big enough for a nightstand, a little desk over there. And then of course you have a little dresser right there. As you can see, this one also has an ensuite, which we'll go in a second. But you have this little step-in, walk-in closet. And your ensuite right here with the shower. So very nice. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. All right, let's continue on. Come back down the main hallway. Some of these doors are locked, so I'm not sure. This is gonna be your coat closet here. And I know that door is locked, so I'm not gonna be able to show you behind that. But you come in, you have your formal dining space right here, which opened up to your main living space. And then of course, opened up to your kitchen. So we'll come back to this in a minute. Let's just kind of walk over here. Start over here. So behind this door would be your 2-car bay, but it's the sales office. And then your laundry rooms are here. So you got the sink, obviously washer and dryer would go right here where the copy machine is. So nice size laundry room. And then you have a little drop zone right here when you come in out of the garage. And then right past that was one more bedroom. So once again, nice size bedroom. You do have your walk-in closet right here. And then once again, this does have an ensuite as well with the shower. right, back around the corner here. Your pantry is gonna be right here, a little walk-in pantry. And then into your kitchen. So along this wall, you have your big Sub-Zero refrigerator, your double wall-mounted Wolf ovens, and then you have your Wolf microwave down below. Nice tall ceilings here. And then in the island over here, of course, your dishwasher and your sink in the island. And then over here, your Wolf gas cooktop and your stainless steel range hood. And then another little area they have set up for, a little bar. So you could use this, whatever, breakfast nook or like they have here, a little entertaining. Let's go take a look at the main suite real fast. So you come in, nice size bedroom. I mean, look at this. You have two little chases right here where you just, if this is too far from the TV, you can come relax right here and watch TV close up. Love the big windows overlooking the backyard. And you'll see in a minute, unfortunately, I can't go out there, but this is probably your best view from here. You can see they're still finishing the pool. They've only been out here about 2 weeks or so. So nice size back lot. And of course, this one overlooking the mountains just looks amazing. All right, let's go into your main bath. Come in, you have your split vanities. So vanity number one right there. Your nice big soaker tub right here with this gigantic picture window. And then vanity number two right here. And then of course you have your little makeup station right there. And your water closet right here. Check out this shower, nice big shower, pretty deep in here. Let me open this and kind of get rid of some of that glare. But you come in, a nice big deep shower. You do have the bench there. And then of course the rain shower head. And then your walk-in closet. So you come in, a nice size closet. Of course it wraps around here. All right. I'm gonna go over here, and like I said, I can't go outside because the backyard's closed, but at least I'm gonna be able to show you this corner wall of glass and the covered patio. So of course these doors open and then kind of go on each side, so you can open this up completely, have your indoor outdoor living space, and then you have this covered patio right here. So nicely done, and once again, gorgeous view of the Santan Mountains. All right, this is the Woodland floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I will see you at the next one. All right, this is your friendly realtor reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. As nice and as knowledgeable as the sales reps are, they represent the builder and not you. So make sure you have someone in your corner that can represent your best interest. If I can help you, give me a call, shoot me a text, numbers right here on the screen. But let's go back to the tour. I'm gonna talk a little bit louder because there's some guys working down the street, but this one is the Manchester with the modern ranch elevation. This can be customized 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, 3 to 4 car garage, 3124 square feet plus. And the modern elevation that we're seeing right now, starting price is $860, $995. And of course, that's the most expensive elevation. We do have a Spanish one starting at $839, $995. So you come in, you have your front door here, but you also have a separate entrance to like a little in-law suite, which I'll show you in a minute. So you come in, you have this nice wide entryway here. All right, let's go over here to the left real fast. You're gonna have your coat closet right here, right off the front door. And then you have this little drop zone area right here. And then you have a half bath right here. That door is locked, but it sounds like, I'm not even gonna speculate what's back there. All right, let's go over here real fast. This is that in-law suite area. So there was that door at the front here. So you have the nice little living space here, and then you have your kitchenette over here. So nice little space right here. And then right over here, you're going to have a nice little walk-in closet. And then right out this door is going to be that one bay garage with the nice windows up front of the home. And then the bedroom is going to be back here, bedroom and bathroom. Your closet is going to be right here, a little step-in closet. Wouldn't call it a full-blown walk-in closet, but it's bigger than a standard closet. And then your ensuite right over here. You do have the shower in this one, and of course the window right there, and then your toilet and vanity right there. All right. Coming out of the in-law suite, turn to the left right here, you have one more bedroom. So enough space in here for a dresser, 2 nightstands there because you have your 2 windows. And then right over here is going to be your walk-in closet. And then also an ensuite. It's a cool little tile. Looks like it has some texture to it. And then of course you have the window there. And then this one has the tub and shower combo. All right. I'll show you the laundry room since I'm here now, but you do have access to your main suite from here, but I don't want to enter the main suite from the laundry room. And of course, if you wanted, you could lock those doors so people can't just walk into your bedroom, your closet. All right, back to the main hallway. Come in here. Let's go here to the kitchen real fast. So, nice big Sub-Zero refrigerator there. Your Wolf microwave. And then right over here, you're gonna have your little butler's pantry. Your walk-in pantry over here. And then of course, right out here is gonna be that 2-car garage. With a service door on the side right there. And then being a gas community, you have your tankless water heater out here in the garage. All right. So you come in through the garage, right through your butler's pantry, right into your kitchen. So nice amount of countertop space. Of course, you have tons of cabinets. Once again, the gas community, so you have your Wolf gas range there, stainless steel range hood. And then in the island here, you have your dishwasher and sink. And of course, it's opened up to your main living space right over there. And then your dining room is tucked over here in the corner. So once again, the backyard on this one's closed. So I'm not gonna be able to show you everything. So I'll come over here, kind of get you the best views possible. You know, it's a nice little view. Check out that. I mean, that pool and spa is gonna look absolutely amazing once it's done. But nice little view from the dining room. And then come over here. You have your 4-panel sliding glass door. So look at that covered patio area. There is a little casita pool house out there as well. And then of course you're opened up to your main living space here. right, so come back here. This is gonna be your main suite back here. Actually, yeah, it is. I got turned around for a second. So the main suite here is plenty of room. Got like that little bump out right there. And then a nice sized bedroom. And then you do have sliding glass doors, but they're locked. I can't unlock it. I tried to come out here to get you a better view of the casita or pool home, or yeah, pool house, depending on how whatever you want to call it. But you can see there, nice little covered space in between the two. All right, let's go into this main bathroom. Check this out. Love the floor. So you come in, here's that closet, your walk-in closet. And then of course, there was the laundry room that we were at a minute ago. But nice big bathroom here. You have your split vanities, nice big soaker tub with the gigantic picture window there. And then of course, your walk-in shower. And second vanity right there. And then last but not least, you have your water closet right here. Let me see if I don't think I can get a better view of the backyard from here. Not really, maybe a slight view. You can see how they built out that outdoor kitchen out here. But nicely done. Once again, the gorgeous views of the mountain. So once again, this is the Manchester floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Guys, check out this view. I know it's a little hazy today, a little bit far away. Let me see if I can zoom in. But you have nice mountain views back there. They got a couple homes already started out here. The sales rep was telling me they've already got 7 under contract. And then, you know, these are the model homes we were just in, but look right around here. You have the mountains behind you, and then here's just kind of model row, the 2 models they have. But look at these mountain views all around. This is going to be an absolutely gorgeous community once it's done.